For many people, travel feels like something you squeeze into a 2-week vacation once a year. But some people build careers where travel becomes part of their everyday life. My husband's one of them. He flies planes for a living. Today, we are breaking down 10 jobs that can let you travel full-time. Let's start with one of the biggest travel careers of the modern internet era, the remote software engineer. Software development is one of the few industries where your work can often happen entirely online. If your company allows remote work, theoretically, you can work from Tokyo, Mexico City, Lisbon, Bali, or basically anywhere with reliable internet. And thousands of people already do this. Some developers become digital nomads, moving between countries while continuing to work remotely for tech companies. For example, someone might spend 3 months in Portugal, then move to Thailand, then work from Colombia while keeping the same job the entire time. Now, obviously, social media romanticizes this life heavily. You'll see videos of people coding besides infinity pools while drinking their smoothies. What you don't see is this: time zone problems, unstable internet, isolation, maybe some visa issues, and trying to attend meetings at 2 a.m. because your team lives in another country. That part is very real, but the flexibility can still be incredible. Remote software engineers build apps, websites, AI systems, cloud platforms, cybersecurity tools, and digital products. And because companies increasingly hire globally, location matters less than it used to. Some developers even intentionally live in lower cost countries while earning higher salaries from companies elsewhere. So here's an example. A developer earning a US level salary while living in Southeast Asia may dramatically reduce living costs. Now, obviously, this career requires technical skills, but it also is one of the clearest examples of how technology changed work completely. A generation ago, traveling full-time while maintaining a stable career was much more difficult. Now, entire communities exist around remote work and digital nomad lifestyles. Now, let's talk about the career most people think immediately about when we're talking about remote work and travel: the travel content creator. These are people making YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram content, blogs, travel photography, and destination guides. And yes, some creators genuinely make full-time incomes traveling the world. But here's the important reality: travel content creation is much harder than it looks because people see the final video, but they do not see all the work behind it. For example, a creator filming a beautiful 20-second beach clip may have spent hours filming, editing late at night, carrying heavy equipment, recapping scripts, managing sponsors, and dealing with algorithm stress. Travel creators are basically filmmakers, marketers, editors, writers, photographers, and small business owners simultaneously. And competition is intense because so many people want to be influencers these days, which means standing out is difficult. The key here is the creators who succeed usually offer something beyond "look at this pretty location." Maybe they focus on budget travel, luxury travel, solo travel, food experiences, travel hacks, cultural education, digital nomad life, or storytelling. They get very specific with their audience. For example, some creators document living in vans, traveling with pets, working remotely abroad, or surviving on tiny budgets. Others build audiences through humor, luxury, or education. Here's the interesting part: a lot of successful travel creators make money through multiple income streams, which can be sponsorships, ad revenue, affiliate links, digital products, courses, brand deals, and photography licensing. One more thing to note about this type of career too, if you're heavily on social media, is that you don't control social media, so essentially in one day it could all be gone. So it's good to have diversification in this field because relying on social media views can be pretty risky. Algorithms change constantly. One month views explode, the next month they collapse. That unpredictability is one reason many creators eventually burn out. Still, for people who genuinely love storytelling, travel, creativity, and building audiences, this can become an incredible career. Now, let's talk about one of the more classic travel careers, not being a pilot, but actually the flight attendant. People sometimes imagine flight attendants simply handing out snacks and smiling politely, dealing with customers, right? In reality, they're trained professionals responsible for passenger safety, emergency procedures, conflict management, medical situations, and handling stressful environments, aka when flights are delayed. The travel benefits are one of the biggest reasons people pursue this career. Flight attendants may visit multiple countries a week, stay in different cities constantly, and receive discounted or free flights. Some crews wake up in Paris one day and Tokyo the next. That lifestyle appeals strongly to people who hate routine. Now, obviously the job does have its challenges. The schedule can be exhausting. Imagine irregular sleep, constant time zone changes, difficult passengers, long flights, and spending huge amounts of time away from home. That can become pretty draining. But many flight attendants love the variety, and the job offers something that many traditional careers don't: constant movement. No 2 weeks look exactly the same. You meet people from all over the world, and honestly, airports become weirdly familiar after a while. Frequent travelers start recognizing terminals, airline lounges, boarding routines, and even which airports have the best food. That becomes your normal life. Now, here's a travel career people rarely think about: the international sales representative. Many companies operate globally now, which means they need employees who can meet clients, attend conferences, build relationships, and negotiate deals internationally. And this can't always happen on Zoom. For example, imagine a company selling medical devices, software, manufacturing equipment, or luxury products. Their sales teams may travel constantly between countries, meeting distributors, executives, partners, and customers. This career can involve business dinners, trade shows, international flights, hotel living, and nonstop networking. Now, let's be honest, business travel is very different from vacation travel. You may fly somewhere incredible and then barely leave the conference rooms. A person could technically visit London while seeing nothing except the airport, an Uber, a hotel, and an office building. This is something that happens constantly. Still, many international sales careers offer strong salaries, bonuses, travel perks, and exposure to different cultures. This role is especially good for people who enjoy communication, negotiation, networking, and relationship building. And surprisingly, or maybe not surprisingly, personality matters enormously here. People buy from people that they trust, and that never changes. Number 5, digital marketer. Digital marketing became one of the biggest remote careers in the world, which means many marketers can now travel while working full-time online. Digital marketers help businesses grow using social media, advertising, email campaigns, search engines, branding, and analytics. Because this work happens online, location matters much less. For example, someone might manage Instagram campaigns for a fashion brand, Google ads for a startup company in the food industry, or email marketing for an online business, while living abroad full-time. Some marketers freelance for multiple clients. Others work remotely for agencies or companies. Now, here's something interesting. Travel itself can actually help marketers become better at their jobs, because exposure to different cultures changes how you understand trends, consumer behaviors, design, storytelling, and communication. For example, advertising that works in one country may completely fail somewhere else. Colors, humor, slang, and social norms vary dramatically worldwide. That perspective becomes valuable. Now, obviously remote work while traveling sounds easier than it actually is. Trying to run ad campaigns while the airport Wi-Fi crashes can become stressful quickly. But for people who enjoy creativity, strategy, analytics, and flexibility, digital marketing can support a highly mobile lifestyle. Number 6, a cruise ship worker. Let's talk about one of the most intense travel lifestyles: working on a cruise ship. Cruise ship employees basically live at sea for months at a time. Jobs on board include entertainment, hospitality, restaurants, fitness, technical operations, photography, and guest services. Now, obviously, this is not a normal 9-to-5 lifestyle. You are essentially living where you work. That means small cabins, longer shifts, limited privacy, and constantly being around your coworkers and passengers. Some people love that, some people may not. But the trade-off is massive travel exposure. Cruise workers may visit Caribbean islands, European ports, Alaska, Asia, South America, and dozens of destinations yearly. Some workers wake up in a completely different country every few days, which honestly sounds both exciting and maybe slightly disorienting to some. Now, social media often glamorizes cruise life heavily. What you don't always see is the exhausting schedules, shared living spaces, homesickness, and working holidays while passengers relax. Some people love the experience because it combines travel, international friendships, adventure, and income. And for younger workers, especially, it can become a unique way to see the world relatively quickly. Number 7, travel nursing became especially well known during the pandemic, but the career existed long before that. Travel workers temporarily work in hospitals or healthcare facilities in different locations. For example, a hospital experiencing staffing shortages may hire travel nurses for 3 months, 6 months, or longer assignments. That means nurses can move between cities, states, and sometimes countries families while continuing their careers. And because shortages can become urgent, travel nurses often earn significantly higher pay than permanent staff roles. Now, obviously, healthcare work is demanding. This is not some casual work from the beach lifestyle. Travel nurses handle a lot. Stressful environments, long shifts, emotional situations, and high responsibility, let alone having to adapt to different places. But for people who already love nursing, the travel flexibility can be incredible. Some nurses intentionally choose assignments based on lifestyle goals. Here are a few examples: spending winters in warmer states, living near national parks, or exploring different cities before settling permanently somewhere. This career also exposes people to different hospital systems, new environments, and diverse patient populations. And honestly, adaptability becomes a huge skill set here, because every new assignment means learning new teams, new procedures, and new environments quickly. Number 8, international teacher. Did you know teaching abroad is one of the most popular long-term travel careers in the world? International teachers work in private schools, international schools, language programs, and educational institutes across different countries. For examples, teachers may work in Japan, South Korea, the UAE, Spain, Thailand, or dozens of other countries. And for many people, this becomes more than just travel. It becomes cultural immersion. Living somewhere long-term gives you a completely different experience than short-term vacations. You learn locals' routines, transportation systems, food culture, customs, and the daily life. Now, obviously, teaching abroad also comes with its challenges. Moving internationally can feel isolating sometimes. Language barriers can become frustrating, and adapting to a different education system takes time. But many teachers describe the experience as life-changing. Some originally planned to teach abroad for 1 year and ended up staying internationally for a decade. Now, here's something important. International schools often pay significantly more than people expect, especially experienced teachers in certain regions. Some packages even include housing, flights, relocation support, and healthcare, which can make international teaching financially attractive as well. Now, let's talk about one of the oldest travel careers, the tour guide. And honestly, great tour guides do much more than walk people around with microphones. We've all been on good tours, or maybe a bad one. The best guides are storytellers. They bring places to life. For example, anyone can point at an old building and say, "This was built in 1842. A great guide explains why it mattered and what happened there, who lived there, and why people should care. That storytelling transforms travel experiences. Tour guides may specialize in food tours, history tours, hiking trips, adventure travel, cultural experiences, wildlife tourism, or luxury travel groups. Some work internationally for travel companies moving between countries year-round. Others build their own travel businesses. Now, obviously, tourism can be unpredictable. Seasonality matters. Economic downturns do affect travel, and global events can impact tourism heavily. But for people who genuinely love history, culture, food, communication, and meeting new people, this career can be incredibly rewarding, especially because every group brings different personalities and experiences. No tour is exactly the same. And finally, the broadest travel career of all, the remote freelancer. This includes people doing writing, graphic design, video editing, consulting, programming, coaching, marketing, photography, and many other online services. Freelancing has exploded because the internet removed geographic limitations. A designer in Argentina can work with clients in New York. A writer in Portugal can work with companies in Canada. A video editor in Thailand can work for creators in Los Angeles. That flexibility makes full-time travel possible for many freelancers. Now, obviously, freelancing has its trade-offs as well. Freedom sounds exciting until clients disappear, invoices are late, work becomes inconsistent, or you realize you have no paid vacation because you technically work for yourself. That instability is real and something to consider. But successful freelancers often gain something many traditional jobs don't offer: control over location and schedule. And for some people, that freedom matters more than predictability, especially people who prioritize experiences, flexibility, and their independence. Those are 10 jobs that can let you travel full-time. And honestly, the biggest takeaway is this: there is no single perfect travel career. Some people travel through remote work, business travel, freelancing, teaching, healthcare, or tourism itself. And every lifestyle comes with trade-offs, because full-time travel is exciting, but it can also become exhausting, isolating, unstable, and surprisingly unglamorous sometimes. The internet often likes to show us the highlights without showing the realness behind it: the delayed flights, visa stress, burnout, loneliness, even just the constant stress of having to constantly be on and produce, or working strange hours. Still, for people who genuinely love exploration, flexibility, and experiencing new places, these careers can create opportunities previous generations could have barely imagined. Now technology makes it possible for millions of people. And honestly, that shift completely changed how people think about work itself. Which travel career surprised you the most? And could you realistically see yourself traveling full time? Let me know. See you in the next one.